So many areas, in fact, hit by the damage of all this flooding. Damages in places that don't usually flood, at least not like this. Flooding in higher than normal elevations, places where many people think they're protected from all this. Well, they weren't. Stefan Kim live in Harriman State Park in Orange County, where they certainly were not protected. Stefan.
Well, Bill, as you can see, there are roads closed all over Harriman State Park. First responders say in some places the water literally got under the roadway, lifted it up, and peeled the parkway onto itself. Park rangers say the structural integrity of some of these roads back here is seriously compromised. There is damage and destruction for miles.
That's insane.
This was Route 218 in Cornwall, where the road completely caved in. The force of Mother Nature just swallowing it up. Over on the Palisades Parkway yesterday,
74 to 28.
it looked more like the Florida Everglades, with state police needing this to get around. On the parkway near Seven Lakes Drive, vehicles got stuck on roads that buckled, got jammed on pieces of fallen trees, or swept off the parkway altogether.
We had patients with oxygen, we had kids, families, mothers, and we had a patient that I think he had autistic with maybe cerebral palsy or something, I don't know, some condition that he couldn't walk even if he wanted to.
Sruly Rosenberg is a search and rescue team member from the Chaverim Emergency Services, seen here pulling dozens of trapped motorists out of the rapids. He says it was surreal, with countless children and their mothers begging for rescue. So you're 6'2", waterline over here. This is about 5 foot high.
It's probably about 5.
Rushing in. Like, describe
coming from this way, coming from that way.
If you're looking for a green car, you're looking for whatever it is. This has, I believe, a 200 times zoom.
Isaac Klitnick is Rosenberg's team member who helped locate those stranded motorists with this drone.
The Palisades was like literally covered in rocks and debris and branches and who knows what, so it was very hard to drive there. Certain areas, the side of the highway fell in. I think the worst part of it was further up towards the roundabout over there. It literally fell apart by the 6.
It was widespread destruction. Highways that looked like broken puzzle pieces ripped apart. And this is body camera video from New York State troopers showing a similar type of rescue in Orange County, pulling stranded motorists through a violent flood using a rope.
It was relentless for a while.
Yeah.
But if it would have continued probably for another 15, 20 minutes at the same rush of rain,
Yeah.
I don't think.
Now, he says the worst thing that could have happened that did not happen is that along some spots of the parkway, if you get run off the road, you would go down an embankment. Again, luckily that did not happen.